Hey everyone, and welcome to Barmer. This enchanting city is nestled in the heart of Rajasthan, India, and is surrounded by the vast and mesmerizing Thar Desert. As you fly over Barmer, you can see the unique blend of traditional and modern elements that make this place so special. Barmer is a city in Rajasthan, India, right in the middle of the Thar Desert. This desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert, stretches across the northwestern part of India and into Pakistan. The Thar Desert is one of the most arid regions in the world, but it is also one of the most beautiful, with its golden sands and stunning landscapes. It's a place with a really cool history and interesting culture. Barmer has been a significant part of Rajasthan's history for centuries. The city is dotted with ancient temples, forts and palaces that tell the tales of its glorious past. The local festivals and cultural events are a testament to the rich heritage and traditions that have been preserved over the years. Barmer is full of bright colours and traditions, and the people there are super friendly. The markets are a riot of colours with vibrant textiles, intricate handicrafts and traditional Rajasthani attire. The locals are known for their warm hospitality and are always ready to share their stories and traditions with visitors. It's like a hidden treasure in Rajasthan, where the old ways meet the new. As you walk through the streets of Barmer, you'll see a fascinating blend of old and new. The traditional architecture stands proudly alongside modern buildings, creating a unique and harmonious landscape. This juxtaposition of the past and present is what makes Barmer so intriguing. The desert is beautiful but can be tough too. The Thar Desert is a place of stark contrasts. During the day, the sun blazes down, creating a harsh and unforgiving environment. But as the sun sets, the desert transforms into a serene and magical place with the golden sands reflecting the colors of the sky. It's a sight that will leave you in awe. Barmer has lots of stories to tell, so come explore the magic with us. The locals are great storytellers, and they have a wealth of tales about the history, culture and legends of Barmer. Whether you're exploring the ancient ruins or listening to a local guide, you'll be captivated by the stories that bring this city to life. It's a place of opposites where the desert can be both lively and dangerous. The Thar Desert is home to a variety of wildlife, from the elusive desert fox to the majestic Indian gazelle. The sand dunes, with their ever-changing shapes and shadows, are a testament to the power and beauty of nature. But the desert can also be a harsh and unforgiving place where survival is a constant challenge. The people of Barmer have learned to live with nature and really respect it. The locals have adapted to the harsh conditions of the desert and have developed ingenious ways to make a living. Traditional farming techniques, such as rainwater harvesting and drought-resistant crops, are a testament to their resilience and resourcefulness. The people of Barmer have a deep respect for nature and live in harmony with their environment. It's a peaceful place, like a big mix of different cultures, where you can meet people from all walks of life. Barmer is a melting pot of cultures, with people from different backgrounds living together in harmony. The cultural festivals are a celebration of this diversity, with music, dance and food from various communities. It's a place where you can experience the richness of Rajasthan's cultural heritage. Everyone is welcome in Barmer. The locals are known for their warm hospitality and are always ready to welcome visitors with open arms. Whether you're a solo traveler or with a group, you'll feel right at home in Barmer. So come and experience the magic of this enchanting city for yourself. Barmer is surrounded by the Thar Desert, a place with really extreme weather. The summers are super hot and the winters are surprisingly cold. The temperature in the summer can get higher than 113 degrees Fahrenheit. The sun is really strong and the desert sand shimmers in the heat. The nights are a bit cooler, but it's still really hot. Winter is a nice break from the heat, and the temperature can drop to 41 degrees Fahrenheit. The nights are chilly, but the days are nice and sunny. It hardly ever rains in Barmer. Water is really important in the desert, so everyone has to be careful with how they use it. Barmer has a long and interesting history, going all the way back to the 1200s. It was started by a guy named Bahadur Rao, also known as Bar Rao. That's actually where the name Barmer comes from. It's a mix of Bar Mata, a local goddess, and Mer, which means hills. Lots of different rulers have controlled Barmer throughout history, like the Mauryas, Chauhans and Rathoris. Each group left its mark on the city. The Rathoris were especially important, and one of them, Rawat Bhima, built the Barmer fort. The fort is a reminder of Barmer's awesome past. Barmer, a city in the western part of Rajasthan, India, is a treasure trove of architectural wonders. The city is dotted with historic buildings that tell tales of its rich and varied history. From ancient forts to intricately carved temples, Barmer's architecture is a testament to the skill and artistry of its builders. The Barmer Fort, also known as Juna Barmer Fort, stands as one of the most iconic landmarks in the region. This fort, with its imposing structure, has witnessed centuries of history and has been a silent spectator to the many events that have shaped Barmer. Perched on a hill, the fort offers a commanding view of the city below. Its strategic location not only provided defense, but also allowed the rulers to keep a watchful eye on their kingdom. Within its walls, the fort houses expansive courtyards, grand palaces, and ancient temples. Each of these structures has its own story to tell, reflecting the architectural styles and cultural influences of different eras. Today, the Barmer Fort attracts numerous tourists who come to explore its historical significance and marvel at its architectural beauty. The fort is not just a relic of the past, but a living monument that continues to inspire awe. Another architectural gem near Barmer is the Kiradu temples, located about 22 miles from the city. These temples are renowned for their intricate carvings and detailed sculptures, showcasing the artistic brilliance of the craftsmen of that era. Often referred to as the Khajuraho of Rajasthan, the Kiradu temples are a testament to the region's rich cultural heritage. The detailed carvings on the temple walls depict various mythological stories and scenes from everyday life, making them a visual delight for visitors. Barmer is also home to several other significant temples, each with its own unique charm. The Mahadev temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, is one such example. This temple is not only a place of worship, but also an architectural marvel, with its beautifully sculpted pillars and intricate designs. Another notable temple is the Devka Sun temple, dedicated to the sun god. This temple stands as a symbol of the ancient sun worship practices and is known for its unique architectural style. The Nakoda Jain temple is a revered pilgrimage site for the Jain community. Its serene ambience and exquisite architecture make it a must-visit for anyone traveling to Barmer. The Vishnu temple, dedicated to Lord Vishnu, is another architectural gem in Barmer. This temple, with its historical significance and beautiful carvings, adds to the city's rich tapestry of religious and cultural landmarks. The architectural treasures of Barmer are a testament to the incredible skill and craftsmanship of the builders of yesteryear. These structures, with their intricate designs and historical significance, continue to captivate and inspire all who visit. Barmer is known for its beautiful handmade crafts. Skilled artists make really detailed and beautiful things, showing off the city's culture. Textiles, like cloth, are a big part of Barmer's crafts. The city is famous for its bandage tie-dye, kota doria, a light and airy fabric, and sanganeri prints with flower designs. Woodworking is also popular in Barmer. Artists carve cool designs into wood to make furniture, toys, and decorations. Pottery is another old craft. People use their hands to shape clay into pots, jars, and other useful things. Barmer pottery has earthy colors and traditional designs. Farming is super important to Barmer. This region, located in the heart of the Thar Desert, relies heavily on agriculture despite the harsh and arid conditions. The people of Barmer have adapted to the challenging environment, developing unique farming techniques that allow them to cultivate the land and sustain their communities. It's how most people make a living. The majority of Barmer's population is engaged in farming, and it forms the backbone of the local economy. Families work together in the fields, passing down agricultural knowledge from generation to generation. Farming in the desert is hard, but the people of Barmer are used to it. They have learned to work with the limited resources available, using traditional methods that have been refined over centuries. The scorching sun and scarce water supply make farming a daunting task, but the resilience and determination of the farmers keep the fields productive. Farmers grow things like barley, wheat, cotton, and mustard. These crops are well suited to the arid climate and provide essential food and income for the local population. The harvest season is a time of hard work and celebration as families come together to gather the fruits of their labor. They use both old and new ways of farming. Traditional plows pulled by oxen are still common, but modern tractors and machinery are also being adopted. This blend of old and new techniques helps to maximize efficiency and productivity in the fields. Getting water to the crops is really important. Innovative irrigation systems have been developed to make the most of the limited water supply. Drip irrigation and other water-saving technologies are crucial in ensuring that the crops receive enough moisture to grow. Finding oil and natural gas in Barmer has been really helpful for the city. The discovery of these natural resources has brought new opportunities and economic growth to the region. The oil and gas industry has created jobs and provided additional income for local families. It created new jobs and helped the local economy. The influx of workers and investment has stimulated the local market, leading to increased business activity and improved living standards for many residents. Raising animals is also important, especially camels. Camels are well adapted to the desert environment and play a vital role in the lives of the people of Barmer. They are used for transportation, farming, and milk. Camels are used for transportation, providing a reliable means of travel across the vast desert landscape. They are also integral to farming activities, helping to plow fields and transport goods, farming and milk. Camel milk is a valuable resource known for its nutritional benefits and used in various traditional dishes. People also raise sheep and goats for wool and meat. These animals are well suited to the desert environment and provide additional sources of income and sustenance for the local population. The wool is used to make clothing and textiles, while the meat is a staple in the local diet. Barmer's economy is a mix of old and new ways, with farming, natural resources and raising animals all being important. This unique blend of traditional practices and modern advancements has allowed the region to thrive despite the challenging conditions. And raising animals all being important, the people of Barmer have shown incredible resilience and adaptability, ensuring that their way of life continues to flourish in the heart of the desert.